Hello, and this is the Solar System Channel News. Starring our hosts today are
Hi, welcome to SSC News. Thank you for tuning in today. We're located at Prairie View A&M University. I am the anchor, Chanel Johns, and I'm here with
Jasmine Jordan. Talking about the solar system. In New York, a team of researchers has spotted an extrasolar planet about 117 light years from Earth that has boasts the most eccentric orbit yet seen. In this case, eccentric doesn't refer to the state of mind, but instead describes how elliptical a planet's orbit is around its star. While the planets in our solar system have nearly circular orbits, astronomers have discovered several extrasolar planets with highly elliptical or eccentric orbits. This means that the planet moves in a nearly flattened ellipse, traveling a long path from far its stars and then making a fast and furious slingshot around the star at its closest approach. At the farthest point in its orbit, the planet is separated from its stars by 2.5 times the distance between the Sun and Earth.
That's what my colleague said. Earth being a unique Earth among 7 million trillion planets in our known universe, Earth has provided it a special demographic. According to Copernican principle, our planet doesn't hold a privileged position in the cosmos, but now a new study has suggested that Earth is very special, proving the principle wrong. An in-depth report in Scientific American on the computer model created by astronomer Eric Zackerson described it as a miniature digital copy of the early universe. The U.S. Space Agency, NASA Hubble Space Telescope has discovered a small dark moon orbiting the dwarf planet Makemake. Makemake is the second brightest icy dwarf planet after Pluto in the Kuiper Belt. Discovered in 2005, the dwarf planet is named for a creation data for the Rapa Nui people of Easter Island. The Kuiper Belt is a vast reservoir of leftover frozen particles from the construction of our solar system 4.5 billion years ago, and home to several dwarf planets. The observations were made in April 2015 with Hubble's Wide Federal Camera 3. Hubble's unique ability to see faint objects near bright ones together with the sharp resolution allowed astronomers to pluck up the moon from Makemake's glare.
Now I'll be covering on the breaking news on the widely reported Jupiter as shield concept, implying that the planet shields Earth from comet's impact is incorrect. Not only is Jupiter's shield comment not true, but perhaps Jupiter's most important role in fostering the development of life on Earth was just the opposite. Delivering the volatile materials from the outer solar system is needed for the form of life. Studies show that Jupiter teams with Saturn to kick a significant fraction of the particles into the inner solar system and into orbits that cross Earth's path. He proposes that a solar system with one or more planets similar to Jupiter located beyond the region of potential terrestrial planets is beneficial for the development of life.
is a process of transforming a hostile environment into one suitable for human life. Being that Mars is the most Earth-like planet, it is the best candidate for terraforming. Once just a subject of science fiction novels, it is now a viable research area. The famed astronomer and Pulitzer Prize winner Carl Sagan says that there is an enormous promise in search for ancient life on Mars. If life was once sustainable on Mars, it is important to know what caused Mars to evolve into the cold and lifeless planet it is today. With this knowledge, we can terraform Mars by reversing the process. NASA scientists believe that it is technologically possible at the present time to create a considerable global climate changes, allowing humans to live on Mars. But this will not be by any means an easy task. Raising the atmospheric pressure and surface temperature alone could be achieved in a few decades. This research has strong environmental implications for Earth. What researchers are trying to do involves global warming, a sort of greenhouse effect on the cold planet Mars, Scientists may be able to test their hypotheses about global warming in their attempts to elevate Mars' surface temperature. Likewise, once theories, they may be applied to our own planet in an attempt to reverse environmental damage done by pollution and deforestation.
Thank you for tuning in to SSC News.